Hi everyone, my name is Bob. Samson. I'm a full stack engineer and this is my submission for the IBM Bob Hackathon. I'll be walking you through what I and Bob have actually designed. I collaborated with IBM Bob to architect a system that acts as an autonomous security partner. It doesn't just report issues. Let's say what we actually designed is actually interesting because when they write a code for production, they often miss some kind of vulnerability checks that actually goes into production, which can actually cost the company a lot of money. So what we actually designed is a way to actually now check for these things whether in production or when the code is still actually in review, whereby you can check the vulnerabilities or known facts or known errors before you actually go into production. So that was what brought us in designing Hardener AI. So this is Hardener. So as a guest, you can actually just come here and input your domain name. So once you input your domain name, it's going to scan it for the vulnerabilities, which are known vulnerabilities that attackers or hackers already knows that they can actually use to actually exploit your system. So it's actually showing us the full overview of results that are actually happening on your domain, which is I'm trying to check for Google. So Google has all these vulnerabilities. So if I sign out, it's going to come back as a guest. So as a guest, once you try and check, this is all what you're going to see. It's just going to show you maximum of 2 errors. Why? Because of security. Also, what if you don't own the domain and you're just trying to like fish to actually, because attackers can also use this to actually try and see if it's actually things they can actually exploit in the system. So immediately you click login as a user, you can as well just log in. Immediately you log in and you can actually now scan, and it's going to give you a full report of everything that is happening in the system behind the scene or anything. So these are vulnerabilities that are going on in the system, like oh wow, the action required vulnerability stack is this, so the security grade is this. It's going to show you the audited server banner, the runtime powered by, and then it's going to show you the errors you're having, the vulnerabilities where you can actually patch, and also it's designed inside of it the documentations needed to actually patch the securities vulnerabilities. If you're using Next.js, Node.js, Python, Golang, we can actually iterate more functions into it um, going forward. Thank you very much.